Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wig review. Welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Tanya M and I love reviewing synthetic wigs. I'm obsessed. I buy like almost every new release and I come on here to do reviews on them to make myself feel better about spending so much money. Anyway, so today I wanted to try this beautiful color on this wig by Outre. She's fairly new. She's not like new, but she's fairly new. I actually bought her when she first launched, but I never wore her. This is the wig Tatienne. And I have her in the color DRF4/vanilla caramel. I really want to try this because I actually have been looking for a blonde highlighted wig with dark roots, even to the point where I was about to buy a human hair wig. So I'm so glad that Outre dropped this. Little specs about this unit. She's a 26-inch wig. I actually took her out of the box to look at the color because I was kind of unsure. So that's why she kind of have like some bends in here, but that's okay because we can either straighten her out or we could do an updo, which I'm thinking about doing a cute little swoop bang half updo. Yeah, so other specs, she's HD lace, of course. It's part of their perfect hairline, so she's a 13x6 unit. Look at all that parting space. Definitely gonna have to tint the lace, but that's normal. She comes with adjustable straps, 2 combs behind the hairline. I'm sorry, behind the lace. A larger comb in the back, and it comes with an extra band. So if you have a larger head, it might be uncomfortable with this extra band, but you can just cut it out. Okay, so I actually want to show you guys what it on because I want to show you the hairline. So I did want to come in, guys, and show you this hairline. She's really good. Look at that. You honestly don't have to pluck it. If you're bad at plucking, definitely get this unit. She covers my hairline, especially like right here is where my peaks come in, like right here. She covers that. I will probably go through and do some plucking on the side here because I do have a lot of room to do that. And yeah, but just in this area, she's good. She's definitely good. So I was thinking about recording the install. I might just go ahead and record the install. I was going to do a TikTok, but fuck it. But I'm not going to do a TikTok because I think this time, because for the last 2 weeks I didn't show the install. So I do want to show the install this time. But anyways, this is how she looks. No snags or tangling as of yet, but there will be. She's a good density, so I don't think she's going to snag or tangle a lot. And I kind of like this color for my skin tone. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing a side swoop. Definitely can't show you how that I'm going to do that now. But like an updo with a side swoop and the rest of the hair out in the back. I think that'll be really cute. Like 90s type of style with the blonde hair. Very ratchet, very chic, and very chic ratchet. Like I'm going to be a chic bougie ratchet with this hair. This color is definitely great for brown skin girls, dark skin, brown skin girls like me. This color is blonde is really nice. Like if you're not really, like if you like blonde hair, but 613 is a little bit too much for you, not too much for me. But if it's too much for you, try this blonde. It's so pretty. So pretty. I'm going to try to actually find a website that still has this color. I'm going to try. And I'll post it in the description box. If you don't see a link in the description box, you're just going to Google her name, because that means I did not find a link to a store that has this color still in stock. But I'm in love right now, and I can't wait to install her. So I'll be back once I do my ball cap method, and then we can go ahead with the install. Okay guys, so I'm doing a voiceover because I wanted this video to be faster than what it was going to be. Anyways, jumping right into it. Right here, I'm cutting off the ear tabs so it can be customized to my hairline. Basically, that's all I do, and measure and cuts. All right, now I'm taking an eyebrow razor to trim the lace off the hairline. This just makes it look more not as straight as if you were going to use scissors. You want it to look a little rigid or raggedy, I guess, because it tends to blend better into the skin when it's not straight. When it's straight, you can see the lace once you lay it. And I'm just making sure I cut off the larger sections where I left the lace on. All right, so as you can see, this is before I glued it down. You can see how seamlessly it lays. But I will be using Ghost Bond glue to install this wig. And as you can see, I did the ball cap method to protect my edges. What you're going to do is just take the Got2b glue. You're going to do one layer and you're going to spread it out with a popsicle stick. Or you can just get these from the craft store. I got mine from Dollar General. It's very cheap. It's just wooden sticks. And you can spread that out as evenly as you can because you want the glue to dry evenly. And I usually only do 2 layers of glue, but for some reason when I did 2 layers it just didn't lay correctly, and it could be because I didn't wipe my skin clean with rubbing alcohol before, not rubbing alcohol, but like, you know, the 90% alcohol. So definitely do that first, guys. Just clean the skin with rubbing alcohol, cleans off any oil or any residues left. Now I'm just going to lay the lace there and press the lace into the skin. And I think I ended up doing like 3 or 4 layers of glue, but if you clean the skin off, you only need to do like 2 layers, I promise you. But yeah, I just take the back of my comb and just press the lace into the glue. There will be some spots where it will lift because it's a little bit up before the glue, but that's fine. Just put some glue there and then press down. Now to like secure the lace and let it melt, I'm using the Ebon lace spray in the black container. I'm just spraying that along the hairline, and then once you do that, you can lay that down with a elastic band. You can blow dry for it to dry quicker, but you can just wait a few minutes too. So it's installed now. As you can see, it's melted into the skin. It's flawless. I'm just showing you the parting. That's a middle bust down. But I'm not going to do that. I'm actually, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to do like a side swoop, updo, half updo, side swoop, bang, half updo. But I wanted to show you guys how it looks parted like on the side. I love a left side part. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you a guys an idea of different styles that you could do with this. It is a frontal lace wig, so you could definitely do a lot of different styles with this. I usually do like 1 or 2 styles before I end up getting rid of the wig. I do love this color, so I'll probably be saving it. I ended up actually cutting it shorter, and but I think once I wash her and have other ideas, I'll definitely come back and let you guys know, maybe on my TikTok, new styles that I do with the wig. And yeah, so you're about to see the end results. That's what I did. I love this look. I got so many compliments. Definitely a nice updo. Have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.